Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to change the screen resolution on Windows 10 PC. Click on the Start button. Go to Settings. Click on the System icon. In the left sidebar, click on Display tab. Under Scale and Layout section, click on the drop-down menu below Display Resolution. You can see a list of available screen resolutions. Select the desired screen resolution from the list. Windows will apply the selected resolution and provide a preview. If you are happy with the changes, click on Keep Changes to apply the changes. Select the Reset option to switch back to default screen resolution. This is how you can change the screen resolution on Windows 10 PC. Thank you for watching.